Hey DNA family, welcome back. Check this out. I'm over at the M1 Concourse at the 2023 Autorama here in Detroit, Michigan. And look at this bad boy. I don't know if you're a Ford GT fan, but I am. This is my dream car personally. Look at this one, all carbon fiber. We got somebody's signature right here. I don't know who. But look at the carbon fiber on this. Unbelievable. Wow. That is so cool. Looking inside this bad boy. Look at that. I may sound like a little kid because I feel like one. Holy crap. I would love to be inside this thing. Carbon fiber seats. Wow, look at that. That's so cool with that carbon fiber weave. Unbelievable. Oh, wow. We're going to be bringing you stuff like this all week. We got lots coming from the show for you guys. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and we'll see you again. Thanks, DNA family. Hey, DNA family, check this out. We got the E-Ray, the electric version.
E-Ray, the electric.
It's beautiful. Hey DNA family, here's a cutaway. Check this out. That looks so cool, being able to see what's going on inside of here. You ever wanted to know what's inside of a Corvette? Here's your chance. Wow, unbelievable. We're here at Autorama. It's the 70th anniversary of Autorama. Over at the Corvette area or Chevy area. Give you a little inside. The battery packs run down the center. That's crazy. Electrified front end. There's where the electric motor is. Unreal, guys. Super duper cool. I hope you guys like this stuff. We're going to bring you more from Autorama 2023 here in Detroit, Michigan. Stay tuned, like, and subscribe. We'll be back with more, guys. Thanks.